Oh, that's a Ferrari. That's a Ferrari.
That?
Yeah, that was a Ferrari. Ooh, what's the name of that? Oh my God. It's Honda something, bro. I have that in Hot Wheels form. That car is nice. I wouldn't expect to see this car down here though, I'm not gonna front. Honda something, man. That's also like a JDM car. A car that would be made for drifting, like some Fast and Furious type stuff. You would see most, there's not even no, you'd see that in Fast and Furious. Oh. That's nice. Look at that. Oh my God, it's most definitely it. That color's kind of ugly.